Today we're going to take a new function that we have in this numamsterdam.sql file. We're going to load that into the system, and then when I do the new variable name select numam for number of Amsterdam, you see that numam is 4, the number of residents from Amsterdam. Let's take a look at how that function works. So we begin with changing the delimiter to $2. That's our beginning. And then we'll create function numam, put the parentheses, there's no internal parameter there, it returns integer, and it's deterministic. Then we begin and end. End, of course, ends with the delimiter $. All we're going to do inside there is begin with the declare n to be a type integer, and then I'm going to select count star into n from students where hometown equals Amsterdam. So into n is how we declare that, and hometown equals Amsterdam. So it's going to have all the Amsterdam residents will be counted up and put into the n variable. And then we're going to return that. And that's all there is to it. Oh, then we have to change our delimiter back to a semicolon. Here's the problem though. That conditional has to be equal to Amsterdam. That's not very valuable. Once you've found out Amsterdam, you might be curious about Johnstown and Gloversville as well. So what are we going to do there? Well, first we're going to change numam to numcity. That's a much better name for it. And we're going to have a parameter now. City, which is going to be a varchar 15, is going to be the parameter that's sent to this function. And then where our hometown equals city, instead of Amsterdam, it's going to be that city variable, which is the varchar 15, I guess it is. So that's what's now going to be tested, and it'll return. So once we load numcity.sql in there, let's take a look. We can see that select numcity parentheses Amsterdam gives us 4. We could also take numcity of Johnstown as numjohn. So you can see when we do that, the numjohn is 3, and numglove becomes 6 in this case. So we can use the same variable with a different parameter each time.